NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer kit. So initially what we have to do is like we need to download. So choose your OS. I'm choosing Linux. So go to that. So there are two ways we can do the flashing. Like I'm using Etcher instructions. So download the Etcher and launch the Etcher image. So you will be getting something like this. Select the downloaded image, JetPack image for the Jetson Nano, and it will take some time, depends upon your USB port speed and whether it is a 3.0 or 2.0. Flash it to the USB memory card, and so recommended memory card size is 64 GB. So to continue with this is our Jetson Nano board. So here do we have multiple outlets and connections out there. So after putting the image on the memory card, just insert it on the back side. You can look, so Jetson has a back side of something like this. You can insert it, you can gently pull over it, gently push it and pull it, something like that. Yeah, so it is fixed. So you can see this is a heatsink, 40 pin header. So this you can see the 3.0 USB ports, Ethernet LAN port, power supply is there, USB power supply, and DC power supply is there. So USB power supply must be 5 volt 2 amps. They are recommending that, and yeah, for the better performance. And 2 CSI camera ports. Here you can see 2 CSI camera ports. So this is the board consists of heatsink, 2 CSI camera ports. So below this heatsink we have our processor and RAM connected and everything, and here we do have a HDMI port and display port. So I'll show you what are all the peripherals needed to connect this thing to work on. So I have already inserted my SD card, which has a JetPack Nano, which is a Ubuntu version of the OS, along with CUD, and then everything got installed. So let's go into the peripherals part, connections. So here I'm going to set up my board for the acceleration and getting started. So I'm going to connect the LAN cable to it. Let us just see. So I'm just connecting my the LAN cable to it. You can see how you can just see it. Yeah, and we need for the display I am using my desktop monitor. So I'm just connecting so my display is a VGA connector. So I'm connecting the HDMI to VGA converter. So this board has a input for the display port for the HDMI. So just connecting the display port. Okay. So we have for the vision tags we need camera, right? So for that I am using Logitech C270 model, recommended one for this board. So I'm using the Logitech one to connect this one. So I'm connecting to this USB port. You can see it just for the starting where start. Gently push. Yeah. So once this is done, I need a camera. So camera is ready, LAN connection is ready, and display port is ready. I need to connect my few more peripherals for like this one, keyboard. So I'm connecting the keyboard. Just connecting the keyboard, yes. And also for the mouse, I'm just connecting the mouse. Connecting the mouse once again. So everything, like this is display port, HDMI, this is for the keyboard and mouse, and this is for our webcam, that is a C270 model Logitech, and this one is our LAN, and we have two power supply ports. One is DC power supply and another one is USB based supply, that is 5 volt 2 amp supply. For that I am using my mobile one. So that is a 5 volt 2 amp supply. So I'm just connecting that to it. Gently push it because it's a light push. Yeah, so everything got connected, our SD card, everything, power supply. So I'm going to turn it on and see it in action on the screen. So I'm just turning it on, power supply. So you can see the LED light is switched on green color. That is the thing. So now our display started something. So I have already installed the OS. So it is a normal Ubuntu OS installation. Just to agree with the terms and just to check with the memory you need to assigning, like this is a 64 GB SD card memory. So I just created the user already. So give your password. Once that is done, yeah, we are all set to go. This is a Nvidia. Okay. Yeah, Jetson Nano is up now.